Sinbad, retold by Janet Hardigold. Sinbad, Chapter 1. Our story begins in old Baghdad. A rich old man is very ill in bed. He calls to his son, Sinbad.
"I'm dying, Sinbad,"
says the old man.
"You can have all my money, my son, but you must be careful with it."
Please don't die, father, says Sinbad unhappily. Sinbad's father dies, and Sinbad is unhappy for a long time. But one day he thinks, I'm a very lucky man. I have a lot of money now, some beautiful things, and a big house. With his father's money, Sinbad buys new things to wear and expensive things to eat from the market. Every evening, Sinbad's friends come to his house. They eat and drink all night. But after a year, Sinbad has no more money. Every day, angry shopkeepers come to Sinbad's house.
"Where's our money?"
they ask angrily. Sinbad goes to the market and he sells his father's best tables and chairs. With the money, he buys some beautiful carpets. I could sell to different countries, Sinbad thinks, and I could sell these carpets for a lot of money. Then I could give the money back to the shopkeepers. Next, Sinbad finds an old ship with a very old captain. 3 days later, Sinbad is ready to leave Baghdad. He talks excitedly to all the sailors on the ship. I want to bring back a lot of money, he tells them. The ship sails away from Baghdad and out to sea. Sinbad begins to feel ill. After 2 days at sea, Sinbad is very ill, but then he sees a beautiful island. Please stop, he says to the captain. Sinbad and some of the sailors land on the island. Sinbad takes a barrel with him. He wants to look for water. The captain stays on the ship. Sinbad and the sailors are all very happy. What a wonderful island, says Sinbad. Let's sit down and make a fire. They sit near the fire and they begin to sing. Suddenly, the island moves. The island is moving, says Sinbad. This isn't an island, cry the sailors. It's a whale! Sinbad quickly gets into the barrel. The whale moves down into the water. All the sailors are now in the sea. Help! Help! they cry. Now it is dark, and Sinbad is at sea in the barrel. Hello? Hello? he cries, but nobody answers.